Hey, party people. It's Joe, the AI guy over here. So I am the AI car guy because I love teaching dealerships how to implement AI. But I realized that in dealerships, we're dealing with people. So then I said, you know what? We need to break it down and teach people about AI. So I wrote book one of a 3-book series that's called the Chat GPT for Gen X. Sorry, I wrote it. I should know it. But Chat GPT for Gen X. Book one is From Atari to AI. So what I'm doing in this book is giving you how AI got to this point. So how did we get here? And that'll help to demystify what everybody's going, oh my goodness, AI, it's going to take over the world, it's going to do this, I'm going to fall behind so fast. No, it's not. I'm going to make it really easy so that you can understand where it started, what to do, and then how to master it. So I have online classes, I have live classes that are in office on how to use Chat GPT, and I specialize in Gen X. Why? We've been through all of it. We've been through everything up to this point, and we have conquered every innovation and every war, every sense of drama that has come into our life. We have excelled, and so I wanted to customize training for that. Does that mean it doesn't work for everybody else that's in a boomer or if you're in Gen Y millennial? No, it will help you, but I use references to Gen X, like Back to the Future, to learn about AI. These are all the things that are just unique to a Gen X person. I launched an event for the book, which is called November 99. November 99. Why is it November 99? Because the book is being promoted and put out. So November 1st to November 3rd, the ebook is only 99 cents on Amazon. Now, if you go and you get that book, my book, at joesauthorpage.com, if you go there and get that book, the Chat GPT book for 99 cents, shoot me a DM, text it to me, send me the receipt, and I will Cash App, PayPal, Venmo you back $1. And $1 underneath the IRS notification thing. So I want you guys to say, look, I'm going to make it free and easy for you to start learning about ChatGPT and how to take the scariness and demystify it for you so that you can start utilizing it in your life if you choose to. If not, just help a brother out and get a book for free. And I appreciate you all. Thanks.